For dy dx, function of a function, we're going to be using what they call chain rule. For chain rule, what we do here is, first of all, we differentiate the inner function first, then bring it out to multiply the differential of this other function. So the first thing you do for chain rule is to break it into two distinct functions. That if I put this this sin theta, and instead of putting sin theta, if I put this one here, I'm going to still get my initial question back, right? So for chain rule, you will say you will do like this: dy dx is equals to dy d theta, as this one, times d theta dx, as this one. So the two functions you have broken down into, you are going to differentiate them. Okay. Now,